Yo, what is up, everyone? My name is Dom, and we're here to talk about a banger of a trade that we made that I brought up on the channel here about a couple of weeks ago. We made a 1,200% return in Tesla. We made over $100,000 following unusual options activity. But first, we need to start out with the disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. Like how I always say, please read through the disclaimer, take it seriously. Let's move on to the video. So, this is just a screenshot here of the video that I published on May 31st, 2023. So you can go check out the video there. We're not BSing around here. You can see here we have a position in these June 16th, 220 strike calls. Tesla at the time was trading at about $204 approximately. So these were way far out of the money calls. Like I stated in that video, you can go watch it. I saw about a week of institutional traders prior to me entering, letting in Tesla calls, just hammering the calls constantly. I like the fundamentals of the chart. We saw that it was a nice inverse head and shoulders. We saw that it was also forming a bullish cup and handle. So like I always say, technicals are super important. I like the fundamentals of the company. Those are the three things. I like the trade, I like the chart, and I like the fundamentals of the company. Obviously, it's Tesla. So we jumped in these calls. We got about 30 of these calls at about $300 each. You can see here the low of the day was about 243 on these calls. The high was about 435. You can see right here, high and low. We entered these calls at about $300. You can go check out the video. We're not messing around here. Today, these calls traded up to $4,000 each, from $300 to $4,000, 30 contracts. You can do the math. We made a nice score on this trade here. We were able to follow the momentum all the way up to around the 260 level, which was super hard to hold these calls, but we did. We made a banger of a trade. I put it on the channel. This is the power of following unusual options activity, in my opinion. So make sure to share this video with somebody who likes trading, somebody who's trying to learn trading. Let's get this content out there, because following unusual options activity is definitely the way I like to trade and the way I've made substantial amount of my money in the stock market. Make sure to smash the like button so we can get this content out there. Make sure to subscribe if you like unusual options activity. We'll keep making more videos like this, trying to bring you guys the best trades. Always remember, this is for educational purposes only. You have to understand your own risk in the market, how much money you are willing to risk, because options trading can be incredibly risky, but once in a while you can make a big kind of trade, like how we did with Tesla calls that I brought up on the channel. I'll link the video. You can go check it out. Stay tuned for more content. I'll be making a bunch more. We'll see you in the next one.